Welcome back to another unboxing video. This time we will be unboxing a CyberData outdoor horn speaker. If you've been liking our unboxing videos, help us out by giving us a like on this video and please subscribe to our channel. This CyberData horn speaker is designed for outdoor paging and outdoor environments like dust and water, thanks to meeting the IP66 standard. Not only is it perfect for outdoor environments, but it is great for demanding environments like warehouses and manufacturing floors. So let's open this thing up and see what it looks like. We're going to have our quick start guide right away again. Put that box down. The speaker is also powered with PoE via Ethernet. The Ethernet cable will not be included. Take off the plastic here. Here we have our horn speaker. You can manage the speaker through a secure web-based interface. This thing is also pretty heavy, but just by first looking at it, it is a very high quality horn speaker. This CyberData horn speaker is perfect for outdoor environments and demanding environments like warehouses and manufacturing floors. If you have any other questions about CyberData products, any other horn speaker products, or any other products in our videos, make sure you check out our website at www.ipphone-warehouse.com and please give us a call at 888-201-9056. Thanks again for watching this unboxing video, and we'll see you in our next product video.